I'm Santina with WTI. If you're in the market for a new iPhone 13 mini case, this is a great one. This one is by SURPHY. I love this slim, sleek design. When I put it on my phone, I don't feel like it adds a lot of weight or a lot of bulk to my phone, so it still fits in my hand really, really nicely. It just fits on the phone really well. I also love the solid construction. I mean, for me, that's very important. Unfortunately, I am a pretty clumsy person, so I have dropped my phone too many times, but this has been a good protection for my phone. I haven't had any cracks or problems so far. I also really like this color, kind of like a dark purple color. I think it's really nice. It fits with my style, and overall this has just been a great cell phone cover. It's worked really well for me, and I think it would work well for you too. And that's my point of view.